Hello everyone and welcome to this Getsitecontrol tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up field mapping for third-party integrations. We are looking at the form that we want to set up field mapping for. It's an email capture form with a field where subscribers can express a preference for the kind of content that they would like to get. Now let's head over to the Integrations tab. From here, you can set up integrations with third-party apps. We already have an integration with MailChimp in place. You can find the apps that we support a direct integration with in this drop-down list. And if you want to set up an integration with an app that you cannot find here, you can use Zapier to build the integration. Now let's click Map Fields. From the field mapping screen, you can decide where the data collected by the form fields is going in MailChimp in this case. The email field is already mapped by default. It's in the form of a variable that pulls the data from the email field. I'm going to map the name field as well. I'll click the VAR icon and select name from the list of variables under form, which is where I can find my form fields. I also want to map my preferences field. I want to send the answers to that field as tags to MailChimp. So I'll select preferences from the list here. There is more data that you can send along that is collected from the visitor's browser. For example, their location, the kind of device that they are using, the current date, and so on. And you can not only send data in the form of a variable, you can also type your own text. So for example, here I want to send assign a tag to all the contacts collected via this form because I want to remember that I used a Getsitecontrol form to collect those contacts. And I'm going to save and close my mapping. And my setup is complete. Now go set up field mapping for your own forms.